At period end, every balance you hold in a foreign currency has to be shown in naira at the closing rate. ZetaFisc does this for you automatically, right here on the balance sheet, and it is for reporting only. In the assets you can see all of your accounts. 2 of them are in foreign currency. The first is the dollar domiciliary account. It holds $10,000, and at the closing rate of 1,600 naira it is shown here as 16 million naira. Just below it is the euro domiciliary account. It holds 6,000 euros, and at the closing rate it is shown as 9,463,000 naira. Both were restated for you, no manual entries. At the bottom, this table shows the full working for each of those accounts. For the dollar account, $10,000, the closing rate, what it was carried at, 15 million, and what it is worth now, 16 million. The difference, 1 million naira, is an unrealized gain. For the euro account, the same working gives an unrealized gain of about 464,000 naira. Together that is roughly 1.46 million naira. That combined total is reported here as other comprehensive income inside equity, so the two sides still agree. Notice the summary at the top still says balanced, yes. This is for reporting only. Nothing is posted to your journals, so your day-to-day accounting is never disturbed. And the trial balance shows exactly the same revaluation at the bottom, the very same dollar and euro accounts, so your reports always agree with each other.